here Bluetooth module. This is HC05 Bluetooth module. So you can see here we have the antenna here, then the pins. You have the pin state, RXD, TXD, ground, VCC, EN. And then we have this LED module. This is homemade. What are we now going to do? So we're going to make a Bluetooth controlled LED flasher. So this is an ordinary LED, and we're going to make a LED flasher controlled by the Bluetooth. So to do that, we need another one, this one, Arduino Uno microcontroller. With the help of this, we can make a Bluetooth controlled LED flasher. And how to control that? How we're going to control this LED flasher? Using our smartphone. So we're going to use this as a control to control the Bluetooth, the LED flasher, and this Arduino Uno. With the use of this smartphone, we're going to have this Bluetooth controlled LED flasher, and with the use of Arduino Uno microcontroller. So let us we need to upload the code for this Arduino Uno. So let us first upload the code. Here we have now our circuit. So here we have this LED module connected to the Arduino Uno. Then also the Bluetooth module HC05. And then we have these two resistors. You can see there. Here. It is a logic shifter. We need that for stepping down the voltage, because this HC05 Bluetooth is just taking 3.3 volts. We just need 3.3 volts, but the Arduino is giving 5 volts, so we need to step down the voltage when we connect this Bluetooth module to the Arduino. by using logic shifter. So from 5 volts to from Arduino 5 volts to 3.3 volts to the Bluetooth. So that is the logic shifter, and they are all connected to the breadboard and to these jumper wires. Since we are done with our uploading the code, we can now use an external supply of 9 volts. Okay, so you can see here the LED of the Bluetooth is blinking, so it needs a we need to pair a Bluetooth. It is now ready to pair, and we're going to use this. Okay, this is a smartphone. So in order to control the LED, we need to download here from Play Store an Android apps. We need an Android apps. Or Play Store, and then search. We're searching Arduino Blue Control. Arduino Blue Control. So you can see here it's Arduino Blue Control, Bluetooth control, Arduino Bluetooth control. That is Arduino Bluetooth control. And then the icon is something looks like a robot here. And we already installed this Android apps. So you can see here installed. So you need to install these Android apps so that we can use this to control the LED. So since already installed, we're going to open these apps. Open. So for the first using this for the first time, we can connect using this icon to the HC05. This one, HC05, connect that, connecting to HC05. Since I already tested it, the first time you use these apps, it needs a password. The password is 1234. Since we already use this, and Bluetooth now is connected, so we can now test this. We're going to use this button and slider. To use this button, we need two buttons, one for on and one for off. So we need to configure these two buttons by using this icon at the rightmost, topmost. Then scroll to the command button configuration. Here, button A, we are going to use one to send one, because that is declared in the code. One means on for the LED. So data to send to Arduino. One means on. Okay. Then to configure button B, we need to use 0 or 0. We need to use 0. Then okay. So button A 1, button B 0 for the off. And then let us now go to the apps. If I'm going to press, so you can see here this is already wireless. Okay, I'm going to press this one. It will turn on the LED flasher. Now, before it is a normal LED. Now it is an LED flasher because of the code of Arduino Uno. And I press the button 1. When I press the button 2, it will turn off the LED flasher. So I'm using 2 buttons for this LED flasher. On, off, on, off. So we now have this Bluetooth controlled LED flasher using HC05 and Arduino Uno. And with the use of this Arduino Bluetooth controller Android apps. So we need this Android apps so that we can control the LED flasher using the Bluetooth. So we now have this Bluetooth controlled LED flasher. We now have this figure 1, Bluetooth controlled LED flasher. So we have the Arduino Uno microcontroller and then the HC05 Bluetooth module. So our Arduino, since we are done with uploading the code, is powered by 9 volts through barrel jack or port. And then the ground of the Arduino also connected is the ground of the output LED. This is the LED flasher. This is normally normal LED. Then it will turn into LED flasher because of the Arduino code. And then between the Bluetooth and the Arduino, we have this voltage divider, that is logic shifter. And then also the ground connected to the ground of Arduino, and then the LED, and also the ground of this HC05 Bluetooth module. Now, in our code, this is an output, pin 13. Also in the code, we have this pin number 10 and pin number 11. What is that pin number 10 and pin number 11? That is software serial. Software serial. Why do we need to have that in our code? Software serial. In order to pre-up pin 0 and 1. And we can use this while we also can able to upload the code without disconnecting the wires or the circuit. Okay? Software serial. It means that is according to the code. And what kind of communication protocol we're using here? So once we have this is our cell phone. When we press the switch, it will emit 2.4 gigahertz of signal, and being received by this 2.4 gigahertz of signal and being received by this Bluetooth module, and then to the Arduino, and then we're able to turn on this LED flasher once we press the switch here using the Android apps Arduino Bluetooth controller. So what is the communication protocol? It is full duplex, somewhere here. Full duplex UART, Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter, that is using two lines, a transmitter and receiver. So in software serial, that is in our code, pin number 11 is the transmitter. So it transmit the signal once we press and click the button here from the smartphone. TX is declared as transmitter. Transmit here the data R1 to R2 and then to the being received by the Bluetooth module. And then this Bluetooth module have a transmitter also. Transmit the data to the pin number 10. So pin number 10 is declared as a receiver by the code. So it transmit and receive, transmit, receive, making it as a UART. We're using transmit and receive pin. That is UART, Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. And that's how the data is being load or data flows into the circuit. What's the use of this two resistor? That is serve as logic shifter. Logic shifter. What is the use of logic shifter? To pull down the voltage of the data logic. So since this is a data lines, it transmit here, receive by here, and then transmit here, receive continuously. The voltage here is 5 volts. Data logic voltage 5 volts. Once we have this logic shifter, it will make this, it will convert that into 3.3 volts. That is the logic level of the Bluetooth. So for the communication or to do that, we need to pull down the voltage here from 5 volts to 3.3 volts. That is logic shifter or the data logic or the logic level. We need to convert that into 3.3 volts so that there is a communication between Arduino and then the Bluetooth module. 3.3 volts. We need that in order not to damage the Bluetooth module. So now when the Arduino transmit the signal, now is 3.3 volts. Okay, then transmit here, receive by the HC05, then transmit again, receive by the Arduino Uno. So this 5 volts is a power logic or the supply, is 5 volts from the Arduino, 5 volts. The supply of the Bluetooth module is 5 volts and then to the ground. We don't use the state pin and then the EN enable pin. So that is the logic shifter to pull down the voltage to 3.3 volts in order that the Arduino Uno can able to communicate with the Bluetooth module by transmitting and receiving, that is the UART, using two lines, transmit and receive pin, and declared by the code as pin number 11 is transmit, pin number 10 is receive, continuously. And the communication mode is it transmit and receive, transmit, receive at the same time. It is full duplex. It means it can transmit and receive at the same time. So we don't use conversion voltage divider here from transmit to receive, because this Arduino can able to receive a 3.3 volts already, because TX is 3.3 volts. Then it will just transmit directly to the receive pin of Arduino, while this Arduino needs to convert this output pin, which is 5 volts, the output pin of Arduino, into 3.3 volts for the data or for the signal input output voltage. To pull or to convert that to 3.3 volts, this 5.5 volts of the output pin of the Arduino. So it needs a logic level shifter, but here it is directly connected to the pin number 10. Okay, so what is the use of this HC05? It is act as serial bridge between the smartphone, this phone, to the Arduino, wireless connection. So instead of using a direct wired communication, we have now wireless communication with the use of this HC05 Bluetooth. So once we press the button here, it will turn on the LED flasher. If we press the other button, it will turn off the LED flasher. And for the communication, it needs to be the same speed or the baud rate. If the baud rate or the speed of the transmission is 9600, should be 9600 also, baud rate. 9600, also here 9600. And what is the Android apps? Android apps. Android apps we use, that is Arduino Uno microcontroller, Arduino Bluetooth controller, from the Play Store. We need to download that from Play Store so that we can use that in our cell phone. That would serve as the controller. So we now have this Bluetooth controlled LED flasher. So we now have this LED flasher. Once we press the button here, it will turn on the LED flasher, and when we press the other button, it will turn off this LED flasher. That is our Bluetooth controlled LED flasher. LED flasher is being controlled by the Bluetooth module. That is the circuit.